All right. Winston is 3 years old. Abby is around 20. Big Bird is also around 20. Mars is about 3. Little Hansi over here. Hansi, he's about 8. Then we've got Peely. Peely's around 10. Harriet, not really sure of her age when she came to us. I mean, I think they said she was around 20, but I'm not sure. So, I mean, sometimes you just don't know. We do know that Leo is 31. He's one of our older parrots. Indy over there is about 8. Maraca, she was my first parrot ever. She is 10. Then you've got Akachi, being so sassy today. He's 8. Jake is our oldest. He's about 40 years old. Then we've got Loki. Loki's around 8 as well. And then you've got Peachy. Peachy is around 8 years old. So that's everybody.